Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a pulao with absolutely minimalistic ingredients. It's called the Afghani pulao. For that I'm going to heat half a cup of sesame seed oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 3 onions that I have sliced and I'm going to saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. The onions have softened up a little bit. Let's add 600 grams of mutton to this. You can add chicken as well, but mutton tastes much better. Here I have made a spice mix by simply roasting and grinding 8 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. I roasted this, cooled it and ground it to a nice fine powder. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this spice powder to the meat and I'm going to sear this for 3 to 4 minutes. Ginger and garlic is not used in Afghani pulao, but if you want to use, it's an option. You can definitely add a tablespoon of each and just saute it till the raw fragrance goes off. The color of the meat has changed. Time to add half a liter of water to this. Some salt. Let's give it a good stir and cover this and cook till the meat is 80% done. While the mutton is getting cooked, I'm going to heat 1/4 cup of sesame oil in another vessel. The oil is hot. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of raisins and just saute it for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add 3 carrots that I have julienned and we're going to saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. Add a teaspoon of sugar to this to add a little sweetness to the carrots. Let's shut the flame and add these carrots and raisins to the mutton. Here I have 3 cups of basmati rice that I had soaked for 15 to 20 minutes and drained. Now I'm going to add this to the meat. Add another tablespoon of the spice mix that we had prepared. While cooking the meat, we've already added salt. So I'm going to add enough just for the rice. I'm going to add 3 cups of water to this. Just gently mix this. And cover and cook till the rice is done on a medium flame. We'd covered this pulao and cooked it on a medium to low flame for almost 20 minutes. The rice and the meat is done. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. You saw what an easy recipe this was. So please try it, let me know and keep watching Get Curried.